Hello my dear student. Hope so everyone is fine? Yes. Are you doing study at home? Yeah, because your schools are at home now. Myself Hina Patel, dealing with the 5th standard mathematics. Already we had completed our first chapter. So, we had done the summary of that chapter also, because if any problem were there, it was been solved in the previous class. Yes, we will start with the second chapter, that is operations with a large numbers. What are the operations? You know everyone? Yes. Yeah, mathematics operations, we have 4 operations, that is addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. These are the 4 operations we have to deal with this chapter, that is operations with a large number. Already we had learned the large number in the previous lessons. Yes, yeah. So, we know that 6 digit number, 7 digit number, 8 digit number and 9 digit, means we are learning that of a millions in international systems, lakhs and crores in Indian system. Today we are going to have different types of operations. Slowly we will go ahead with a lesson, that is first we will go for addition, that is additions of a large number. Very simple. Can you add 3 digit number to 6 digit number, 6 digit number to 8 digit number? No? Yes, we can add. If it is given in horizontal way, it is somewhat hard to learn. When it is given in vertical way, it will be very easy. In short, I will give the what are the operations we are going to deal with today with additions of 7 digit number with a different digit numbers. Just pay attention on the board. We will start with an additions of a number. What are the 7 additions of a 7 digit numbers? Suppose this is a 7 digit number, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit. These are 7 digit number. My operation is addition. So, I will add this 7 digit, I can add with a 4 digit number. Yes, I will explain again. Again I can add with a 5 digit number. Yes, if it is, this is 6 digit number. Suppose we have to go for 5 digit number. Now, how to add? This is known as a vertical way, and when you add in this way, it is known as horizontal way. We will add this, you know, this is your ones, this is your tens, this is your 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This, what is this 4 digit number? It is 3,549. Here I am having one more digit extra, so it is 20,001. I have to add in a vertical way. It is very easy to add. First, what I will do? I will add this all the ones, that is known as in a line form. Then I will add all the tens, then all the hundreds, 1000. If I don't have any digit here, means there is 0. Imagine it is 0, don't consider anything, just you have to add these 2 numbers. And next, you don't have here any number, so you can write directly what is the number given here. And here also in the lakhs, 10 lakh position also we don't have a number here, so you can write directly number here. We will solve this one by one. Here 9 plus 9, 18, because it is 2 times. So, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1 is 19, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. What should I do? I should write in a line, that is one under another. Next, 5 plus 0 is 0, 5. Here 4 plus 3 is 7. I don't have any number here. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. I don't have any number here. So, as it is, I will write here 2 and I will write 4. So, this is very simple addition. How to read? First, insert the commas, because we are learning about in an Indian system. So, after 3 digit, after 2 digit, after 2 digit insert the comma. So, you can read this number as 42,57,569. Everyone understood? Very simple, is just you have to write in a line form. One more example. Suppose the number is in this way. What I had done? Very simple. I had done all addition. Can I do this addition in this way directly? No. First I have to arrange this number. First I have to arrange this number in vertically. This is horizontal. It's very hard for me to do the calculation. It may get wrong. So, what I will do? I will write first the largest number of this, which is the 8325490. My operation is addition. So, I will put sign of addition, then I am having one more 2 digits smaller than that is this number. So, again I have to start with ones. Always remember, when you are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have to start with our right hand side. So, again I will start here as 1. This is my 2, 8, 0, 0 and 4. Again one more egg number I am having, just I have to add this. Again I have to start it from ones. This is from my ones, that is I will write 5, then 3, 2 and 4. Now this I had arranged it in vertical way. Now what we had done in the previous example, same way we have to add this number. So first what we will do? We will start with our ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Where there is a no digit, you have to imagine it's a 0. So here 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. I told you have to write in a line form, that is one below the other. Now 9 plus 2 is 11, very good. 11 plus 3 is 14. So I will write here 4 and I will give one carry over here. You can write carry here and you can add this number. 8 plus 2 is 10. What I do? Very nearest to number, because we had learned in the previous lesson. So you have to find out the such number that which will be round off to the number. So it is 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 and 1 is 15. So this is 5 here and 1 carry. Now 5 plus 1, 6. I have 0, so no value. 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7 and 8 is it. After 3 digit, put a comma. After 2 digit, put a comma. So now you can read out what is the number we got after the addition. So in short I can say additions of a 7 digit number with any number of digit, or additions of 8 digit number with any number of digit, that is addition operation can be done very easily by putting out in a vertical way, by writing in a vertical way. So when it is in a line form, so each and every number you can find out. Now everyone know this addition, got it? Okay. We will go for second operation. What is second operation? Subtraction. Yes. Previous only I told we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will go for second operations of a, that is subtractions of a 7 digit number. Now when we do the subtraction, when we have a large quantity or large number, then only we can remove. Leftover is the word used for the subtraction. So if I am having a 10 mangoes in a box, if I add out of that 4 mangoes, means what? I already ate 4 mangoes, means there is a removal of 4 mangoes. So, what I had done? Subtracted. So, 10 mangoes minus 4 mangoes which I ate means what are the remaining mangoes? That operation is known as subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6. How many mangoes are remaining in the box? Is 6 mango. So, this I had given a very simple example of a 1 or 2 digit number. So, you can understand the concept it very easily. Now, in the previous class also we had done the 4 digit, 5 digit numbers of a subtraction. In this class we will learn about the 7 digits of a subtraction. So, there should be first a big number. Suppose I write as a number this is the 7 digit number what I had written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit number. I have to do the operation is my subtraction. What is my operation? Is subtraction. So, I had written the subtraction. Again suppose the number is can I do the subtraction of this? Yes, I will try my level best to do the subtraction of this because my number what I had written is bigger than that of what I am going to subtract. So, here again I told when we do the operation we have to start with our right hand. So, again we will start with our right hand, that is our ones, tens, hundred and so on. So, can you do the subtraction of a 5 minus 3? If you are having a 3 mangoes, can you eat 5 mangoes? No, you can't eat. What you do? You borrow from your friend or you borrow from your neighbors. What? My friend is here. My friend is here. So, I can't do the subtraction. So, I will borrow from my friend, that is from 6. So, what should I do? What I will write here? As a 13. I am borrowing from my friend. So, he will have a 1 less because it is in a tens position. So, now I will try my subtraction. Can I do 13 minus 5? Yes. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So, how many? 8. 5 minus 4 is very easy. After 4, only 1, that is 5. Can you do 5 minus 3? Yes, that is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 0. No. If you are having 2 mangoes, you do not eat any mangoes, then how many mangoes are left with you? 2. So, any number minus 2, 0 is number itself. Here 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So, now putting the commas, now you can read out what is the number after subtraction we get. So, this is again known as an vertical method. What it is known as? Vertical method. I will show you in a horizontal method. So, it will be easy for you how you can find out the answer in a vertical method. Suppose the number is given to you as an what I had done? This is given in a horizontal method. Yes. Here I am having 6 digit number, here also I am having 6 digit number. I have to solve this, so I have to place, I have to rearrange in a vertical method. So, what I will do? I will write 9, 3, 0, 0, 1, 5 minus 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you can do it. Yes? Yeah, you can do it. It is very easy because now you had arranged this in a vertical way. Can you subtract 5 from 6? No. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow from our friend. Who is my friend? My friend is 1, or I can say it is my neighbor. So, I will borrow from here. So, what will be here now? 15. Here what will be remain? He will not have anything with him. So, it is 0. So, what I have to do? Now, I will start it from ones. So, it is in a aligned form 15 minus 6. I will give a small trick to you, very small trick. When it is near to that 9 plus 6, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 2, that will be the next number. So, it will be very easy for you when it is, I will do the 9 plus 6 will be 15. I know that you have to also small additions you have to keep in your mind, so which will help you in subtracting or additions of a number. So, here 15 minus 6 is 9, 0 minus 5, no, I do not have any mango and I want to eat mangoes. What should I do? I have to say to my friend, give me some mangoes because I want to eat. I do not have any mangoes. So, what should I do? I have to borrow from my friend. Who is my friend? My friend is 0, but he is also not having mangoes. So, I will go for my next friend, but he is also not having any mangoes. So, I will go to again next friend. So, what should we do in a subtraction is 0 minus 5 is not possible. So, we do as a 10, here we will write as a 9, because they do not have the before number of 10 is a 9, and we will have borrowing from my next two friend. Now, I will try, can I do a 10 minus 5? Yes, I can do the 10 minus 5 is 5. You know that 5 plus 5 is 10? Yes, it is very simple. 9 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So, I have to write here 5. Here 9 minus 3, you have to count from this number, and you after this number you have to stop to this number. So, whatever the numbers you are getting or number of fingers you are getting, you have to write here. So, simple. 9 minus 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, my 5 finger and 1, that is 6. So, here I will write here 6. What is 2 minus 2? 2 mangoes I am having, I ate 2 mangoes. Nil, that is 0. So, here I will be 0 and 9 minus 4, it is 5. Can I read this number? No. What I should do? Because we had learned in the previous lesson, I have to insert the commas first, then only I can read this number. So, this is an operations very easily when it is given in a horizontal way. First is you will have to arrange in a vertical form, then only we can do the operation. One more addition, we have to see the subtraction by checking with an addition. I will give one example. You can take your own numbers and you can practice this. What will be the checking out with subtractions with addition? Suppose I am having a number as 4321005. Because we are learning about 6 to 7, I will go for one more digit. This is your 7 digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This 7 digit number minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is my own number. You can take your own number and you can practice what I told. I have to check this subtraction with a addition. What I am doing here? I will do first very normal subtraction, that is 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 6 not possible. So, I have to borrow from my friend. I will write 15, here I do not have 9, here will be 0, I will borrow from my friend, here will be 1, again 1 minus 3 is not possible. So, I will borrow from my friend and I will try to solve this now. 15 minus 6, I told the combination with a 9, when 9 plus 16 is a before number. So, 9 plus 6 is a 15, 9 plus 6 is 15, yes, 9 minus 5 is 4, 10 minus 4, 6, 11 minus 3, 8. How I told? You have to start with this number, and when you are counting on your fingers, when you get this number above number, you have to stop the counting. So, here 11 minus 3 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is 0 and 4 minus 1 is 3. What is this? Just we had done the subtraction. Now, my question was we have to check it with addition. So, what I will do here? This number I will write here. This number in front of a subtraction will go as it is. What will be? Here number is 3, 0, 8, 6, 4, 9, 2. What I got, same I had written here. Now, what I told, my question is addition. So, I will put a small sign of addition. I will write as it is what a number I am having here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, I have to check whether I am correct or I got a wrong answer with a checking of with addition. So, I will count 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1 carries 11, 1 carry, 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11 and 12. So, I will write here 2, again 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 and 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. After 3 digit, after 2 digit, after 3 digit, after 2 digit. Is this a number and this number what I got is the same? 43210, 43210, 5959. So, what I had told? I had done the subtraction is the correct because I had checked it with an additions of that rule. So, I think so each and every students have understood this. What I had done? Subtractions normally I had done and I had checked it with an additions. Is my answer what I got is correct or not? Yes. Now, we had seen that addition and subtractions of numbers which was of a 7 digit, which was given by a teacher to you on a board and you had done the solving, writing your own number and you are doing. Now, if I give a small word problem, can you solve? Open your book and listen to my words properly, write it and you have to give me. Are you getting me? So, always sit with your notebook, pencil, pen and your textbook. Here, very simple example I will give. You should understand the concept of that. If you understand the concept, you can solve any addition, any subtraction, any number of digits. Just it is addition, we have to add. If it is subtraction, we have to remove. So, one story problem. Rahul, everyone know Rahul? Yes, he is also my best friend. Okay. Rahul's father has purchased a one house. Rahul father purchased a one house for rupees, one house for rupees 3,45,899. This is the first house purchased by Rahul's father. Now, after a 6 month, Rahul father has got a good opportunity and he has purchased one more house. He has purchased one more house, which will be the second house cost. Second house cost is 34 lakhs 30,500. Now, I told you have to sit with your pencil and your notebook. You can say me by saying that which house is more costlier for Rahul's father. Which house? Yes, by seeing the numbers, what I told in a previous lesson, first when we are having a large number, we have to count the number of digits first. Here I am having 3 to 5 and 6. Here I am having 5, 6 and 7. So, which is biggest, largest digit? This digit. Means second house is more costlier than the first house. By seeing this number, you can find out. My next question is, how much money did Rahul's father spend to purchase his house? The word spend, total money, The word itself says that we have to go for an addition. Now, again listen to my words. How much money did Rahul's father spend to purchase these two houses? So, which operations I have to go? Yes, you are right. We have to do the addition because the word spend and the total shows that how much amount is required or paid by Rahul's father. So, what we will do? We will do an addition of this. Because now you students are knowing that how to arrange the numbers in vertical and in aligned manner. So, one below the other or in a line. Now, we will do the total of this. This is 0 plus 9 is 9. This is 9. This is 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 3, yes, 7. 4 plus 3, 7 and 3. Now, after 3 digit and 2 digit. Now, how much money does Rahul's father spend to purchase his house? Is 37 lakhs 76,399 rupees. Now, my question is, how much is second house costlier than the first house? Again listen to my words. By how much rupees second house is costlier than the first house? Means what? I had taught you two operations. One already we had done, that is additions. Now we will go for second operation, that is subtraction. Then you will get something like 31 lakhs, some 58,000 and 458 rupees. Means what we had done? One, to get a total, we had done the addition, and how much is the costlier, remain, removed. This difference, these words are used for subtraction. I think so everyone, because I had given a very simple example of Rahul's father which you can understand in short. So, what we had learned today is the different type of operations. Only we had seen only the two operations, that is first addition and subtractions of that. Now, we will have a one word problem like Rahul's father. Yes, a supermarket earns rupees 1 crore 56 lakhs 48,000 in a year. You know big supermarket? Yeah, we are having a D-Mart in our Sholapur, Big Bazaar. We are having some malls. Here we are having a big supermarket which is earning in a year is 1 crore 56 lakhs 48,000. If the expenses were rupees 69 lakhs 74,596, how much money was saved? What is meaning of expenses? Means what you expend, what you purchase from the outside and you remove the money from your pocket, that is your expenses. Today, if some small example I will give, your mother has given you 20 rupees and she told you to get some oranges from the market. What you had done? You had taken 2 oranges which was of 18 rupees. So, what is expensed? What you had expensed, how much you had put the money for that orange? 18 rupees. Out of 20, you had put 18 rupees. Here, the supermarket which is in a big quantity having this much crores in a turnover in a year, the expenses means they are having giving to the employees, having a furnitures, having infrastructures, repairing many other things. We have a lot many things in the expenses. So, what we have to do to save the money, first we will total earning minus expenditure. What is the supermarket is having earned of supermarket is 1 crore 56 lakhs 48,000. Expenses is 69 lakh 74,596. When it is a word problem, you have to write the statement that what is the earning of a supermarket and expenditure of that supermarket. I told it's a simple very operations, we have to solve this. In short, we will go for this. I can't do 0 minus 6 means I have to borrow from my friend who is not having anything. So again I will go for my next friend who is having. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. Can I do 4 minus 7? No. So again I have to ask to my friend. So here will be 14, here will be before number, that is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7, because you know 7 sevens are 7 2s are 14, it is 2 times. Can I do 5 minus 9? No. I have to ask to my friend. I will borrow from here, and this is what my friend will have. 15 minus 9, 6. 4 minus 6, not possible. Then I have to ask to my friend. I will borrow from here. So what will be the 14 minus 6 will be 8. So after 3 digit, after 2 digit, I have to insert a comma, so I can read out how much money was saved by an supermarket by having an expenditure of 69,74,596. When it is rupees, you have to write rupees, and here also we have to write rupees. Please do solve, have a practice of this type of a example word problem, which will help you to understand a real sum what is going in our society. So my dear student, practice it. Have difficulties, just solve what I had, remind the concept what I taught in the class. So you will have all the exercise sums in your notebook. Have a good day. Thank you.